Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Today's episode 113 of Check Your Change. All of the commemoratives that me and Elle have managed to find in our change when we've been to the shops or when we've been at work. Apologies for not many videos on the channel today. We are still in Operation House Move. However, when I went to the local garage, I've managed to find the 2019 Paddington Bear outside St Paul's Cathedral. This is part of 4 different Paddingtons in the Paddington Bear 50p coin series, 2 coins being released in 2018, 2 more including this one in 2019. As far as I know, the 2019 mintage figures for the 50 pences still haven't been released yet. I am double checking every single day. Surely they will be out soon. We do need that number to know exactly how many of the coin was made and to work out the coin's true value. There was 3 different commemorative 50p's released for circulation in 2019. The Paddington there that we've managed to find today at St Paul's Cathedral, Paddington outside the Tower of London, and also the 2019 Sherlock Holmes 50p. A huge shout out if you have been lucky enough to find any of those 3 coins. Please feel free to comment below if you've been lucky enough to find any commemoratives in your change today. There'll be a £50 in 50p coin hunt video going up very shortly as well. Hopefully we can find some in that. And as always, thanks for watching.